This is my Energy Kinetics System 2000 high efficiency oil boiler. This thing's amazing. I think it's got an efficiency of like 98%. It uses PVC and plastic as the venting, so I don't have a chimney anymore. Anyway, I came down here because this morning when I took a shower, didn't have any hot water. When you grow up without hot water regularly, when you're older, yeah, you're never gonna want that situation to happen again. So anyway, came down here and there was a fault here. It was an E140 failed to circulate. So there's an off button right there. So I tried that, no dice. Then I came here. Open this up, pull this out. Just like a traditional boiler, there's your oil pump and igniter. The way to vent the fuel is this. This is how you bleed it when you do an oil filter change. But basically what happened was there was no flame on here. To reset it, you press that red button for 1 second and fired right up. So not sure what happened. It's calling for heat right now, calling for hot water. Right now, this is only doing the hot water. It's not hooked up to my radiant just yet. That's gonna happen in about 2 weeks. Anyway, I hope this helps. This is also made in Jersey.